In this video, I am going to teach you how to add your LinkedIn profile link in your resume to make your application stand out. This quick tip helps recruiters find your professional background easily. Let's get started. First, go to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the profile you want to share. Next, click the profile icon at the top of the page. A drop-down will appear with various options. Then choose View Profile from the list. This will bring you to your full public profile page. After that, click the URL at the top of your browser and copy it. This link leads directly to your LinkedIn profile. Finally, paste it into your resume, preferably at the top near your contact information. You can also hyperlink it if you're using a digital format. Bonus tip: customize your LinkedIn URL by editing it in the profile settings. A clean, professional link looks much better on your resume. And that's how you add your LinkedIn link to your resume. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!